If you're working a minimum wage job, you can actually show impact on a resume. Here's how. Now let's say you're like her and you work at Panera Bread. Instead of having something like this, do this, and write something like this. Check it out now. See how amazing these lines are now. Uses action verbs, puts specific numbers, and has impact. Hope that helps and follow for more.